Good morning, family. What's going on? Blessed love to everyone. How are you guys doing today? So I look up chilly this morning. Pretty chilly this morning, yeah. But when the sun come out, it's gonna change. It's gonna start warming up, which is a good thing. So a lot of plants still struggling because of the coolness and morning, but it's okay because the weather gonna change just now, where you're gonna be getting the hot sun. So now is the time to really get your plants in the soil that they could start establishing their root and start adjusting themselves to the weather. But today, I want to talk about, do you see what's happening? Or you ignoring it? Or you would not see until it's by your doorstep? Because many people don't see things unless it's by their doorstep. They will see it happening to people all over the world, everywhere, next city, next, and they would not budge. Why they would not budge? Because it's not actually happening to them. But for what I'm seeing now, I'm realizing that time has changed really fast in the past 3, 4 years. Everything has changed, everything has transformed. When you look at what's going on, you see in March alone how much people lost their job. People losing their job left, right, and center. And by people losing their job, places are getting harder and harder because these people have responsibility. These people might have their mortgage to pay. These people might have rent to pay. So they got to survive. So when you lose your job, how you gonna survive to feed your family? You see, this is what's going on, and this is what we got to look at, because people gonna start acting desperately, because when you look at your family, you got to feed. When you look at your family, you got to have a roof over their head. It could be very scary knowing that you lost your job. On this channel, we try to show people how to live a sustainable life, meaning how to feed yourself, how to be creative, how to do things for less. Because this is not the time for the fanciness. This is a time for surviving. This is a time coming where will only be the fittest of the fittest will survive. I know you always hear this speech. Only the fittest of the fittest will survive. So we got to start looking into things, not just because it's not by your doorstep, meaning it's not happening. Pay attention and you will see the amount of people lost their job in March alone. Look around. Walk in your nearby supermarket or your nearby store. Look and see how much cash you have today. Many places had 10 cash, 5 cash. No, they don't need that amount. They only need one, because they actually have machine doing the job now. Just sit back and think. If machine is taking over the job, what is there for you to do? Or what is there for us to do if machine is taking over the job? If machine is taking over the jobs, how would you feed your family? How would you keep a roof over your family head? And the more people lose their job, is the more homeless people you're gonna find. Everywhere is getting hard. This is not just one country. This is a worldwide situation, a worldwide crisis where things is actually happening worldwide. So, what I'm saying is, you got to get to survival mode. You got to activate that survival mode that you're born with, that you disease within you. Because everything comes so easy, access to you, that you believe you don't need that survival mode. But you better access that survival mode for what is coming. Because what is coming is nothing you've ever seen before. It's troubling. It's a change. And the change is something different than what you accustomed to. So we in a world right now where things changing rapidly, and some of us still comfortable doing what we're doing, even though we see how much it's boiling down. I don't know if you ever see a pipe, right? And the more you turn off the water, more you turn it off, the less water keep coming out. So every day all I'm seeing is a slight turn. And within that slight turn, all I'm seeing is water getting less and less. I hope you get what I'm trying to say. All I'm seeing, it's turning and everything just getting less and less, which is job, which is food, especially food with nutrition, which is jobs, homes, people able to afford their lifestyle. All this thing is trickling down. So you got to get into survival mode. In case things happen, you can survive regardless. Many things is happening and we're not aware. Why we're not aware? We're too easy to get distracted. So we're not aware, we're not listening to anything, we're not seeing anything, because we're so focused on the negative and not seeing the reality of what's coming. It's troubling. It's troubling. It's troubling. Some people is doing what they got to do to survive. Some people care less. Some people say, man, whatever. I'll deal with it when that time comes. But guess what? When that time comes, you might not have too much options. You might only got to do what you've been told. So like I will always say, guys, always try to sow your seed. This for the gardeners. Save some seeds at all time. And I think everyone should get back into that survival mode, activate that survival mode within them, because you will have to soon or later. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoy. Please like, subscribe, and share. Share this message that people could actually be aware of what's coming. All right? Thank you.